Are we gonna paint? Okay, God, tell me what the colors are first, okay? What color is this? Blue. You can have it. What color is this one? Brown. There you go. Yes. What color is this one? Orange. What color is this one? Katie. What color is this one? Purple. What color is this one?
Looks pretty sunny to me.
Yellow. What color is this one? No, what color is this? Okay, we're going to use the purple in a second. What color is this one? Yes. That is purple. What color is this one? Katie! Look, we're going to paint. You got to tell me what color this one is first. What color is this? Green. What color is this one? Pink. Very good. What color is this one? White. What color is this one? Last one and then we can paint. What color is this? What color is this? Red. Yay! Okay, say I'm going to paint now.